bagay.
Bakit maliit na bagay?
Dahil...
Dahil?
Ikaw na ba?
Hindi na namin tingnan. Oo, check, check. Isang palakpakan naman dyan. Ang ganda mo doon. Sabi ni Mami.
Talaga, mamaya po libre po kita ng midnight snack. Kiss? Girl to girl?
Uy, wala na. Check, check, check. Hintayin lang natin na ayos.
Hintayin po natin.
Hintayin natin sa ayos. Ano kaya? Yun.
Wala.
Meron na. Meron na. Sa walang lasa. So,
Sa dami po ng tao ngayong gabi, kayo lang po nagsabi ng maraming salamat. Appreciate it.
okay. Game.
Wala pa mga kamay
Guys.
dyan?
Sorry, yung gitara lang.
Mahina po.
Yes, yes. Matulong lang sa gitara, mas. Hindi lang
Hello,
magana.
Mr. N. Hi,
Mr. Emma,
Mariel.
I'd like to acknowledge Mr.
Hi, Pio
Emma.
Chico. Hi, Ate J.
Relax lang, sir. Relax lang. Relax. Okay. Okay.
Joining up the dots with the freckles in your cheeks, but it all makes sense to me.
I know you never loved the crinkles that rise when you smile. You never loved the stomach or your thighs, the dimples in your back at the bottom of your spine.
I love them endlessly. I won't let these little things slip out of my mouth. But if I do, it's you, oh it's you. They add up to I'm in love with you. And all these little things.
You can go to bed without a cup of tea, and maybe that's the reason you talk when you sleep. And all those conversations are secrets that I keep, and it makes no sense to me.
I know you never loved the sound of your voice on tape. You never want to know how much you weigh. You're still trying to squeeze into your jeans, but you're perfect to me. I won't let these little things slip out of my mouth. But if it's true, it's you. Oh, it's you. They add up to I'm in love with you. And all these little things. You'll never love yourself half as much as I love you. You'll never treat yourself right, darling, but I want you to. If I let you know
I'm here for you. Maybe you love yourself like I love you.
I'll just let these little things slip out of my mouth. 'Cause it's you, oh it's you, it's you. They add up to I'm in love with you. All these little things.
I've just let this little thing slip out of my mouth. But if I do, it's you.
kay Kim Chu!
Thank you. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And sa lahat-lahat po nang dumating ngayong gabi, maraming salamat po. Ramdam po namin yung suporta po ninyo para sa amin. Thank you very, very much. And of course to Sian, grabe, I'm so proud of you, Si. Grabe, pinakita mo na lahat ng kaya mong gawin ngayong gabi. Kulang pa ba?
Wow!
Nag-enjoy ba kayong lahat?
Ito, okay, magtagal mo na ako hindi pinagbigyan dito.
Alin? Ano daw?
Siya naman!
Ano daw?
Ito na lang. Countdown na lang. Bilangan nila lang kami. Okay lang. Okay lang?
Akala ko 5.
3 lang.
3 lang. Alam kasi may very much eh. Okay, again?
1, 2, 3.
Wow! Thank you.
Thank you, congrats, and so basta always remember, no matter what happens, kahit saan man napunta, I'll always be your number 1 fan. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you! Ladies and gentlemen!
Good
Kim Chu!
night!
Ngayon ako isang nanay ko para sa inyong lahat. Isa na lang, okay lang ba isang hirit pa? Okay lang ba isa pa? May ibubuga pa kasi!